Hi everyone! Today's recipe will feature one of my very favorite dishes, which is pesto pasta. If you're a fan of Italian dishes, you're surely gonna love this. To get started with the recipe, we'll need a bunch of our hero ingredient, which is basil leaves. You'll need to wash the leaves thoroughly and pluck it from the stems. Keep it aside. We'll now move to our next important ingredient, which is Parmesan cheese. Here I am grating a block of Parmesan so that it's easier to blend. The more the Parmesan, the creamier your pesto will turn out. The classic pesto sauce contains pine nuts, but as a substitute, I'll be using almonds, walnut and cashew nut. We'll also need few garlic cloves, and our final ingredient will be lots of olive oil. Assemble all the ingredients and now we are ready to blend. First up, I am blending the nuts and garlic to ensure that they are finely processed. But you can also choose to add all the ingredients together. This looks good. Now we'll add the cheese, basil leaves and olive oil. We'll not add any water to our sauce. My pesto isn't blended properly. That is why I'll be adding a little more oil to make the sauce creamier. You can adjust the quantity of olive oil as per the consistency of pesto sauce that you're looking for. This looks good. We'll transfer it to a bowl and get started with cooking our pasta. Take a pot of water, add salt, and once the water starts boiling, add 1 cup of pasta. Let the pasta boil until it's 90% cooked. Meanwhile, we'll get on with cooking the veggies. In a pan, add about a tablespoon of olive oil and then we'll pop the cherry tomatoes in it. I'll cook them on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes as I like my tomatoes cooked, but you can change the timing as per your liking. Now I added a teaspoon of garlic paste, which is completely optional, and I leave it on for another 1 to 2 minutes. I hope you're keeping an eye on the pasta as well. Let's check if it's cooked or not. The pasta looks done. Strain away the water and keep the pasta aside. To our garlic and cherry tomatoes, we'll add the 90% cooked pasta and finish it on the stove. Let's add some black pepper and give it a good mix. Also, we need to add some salt as we haven't added any to our pesto sauce. I lost the footage where I added the pesto sauce to the pan. Once it's added, we'll coat the pasta in the pesto sauce and then we'll turn off the flame. We don't need to cook the pesto sauce for too long. And voila! Our delicious pesto sauce pasta is ready to be served. Grate some more parmesan on top because why not? And finally garnish with some basil leaves. While I enjoy my pasta, do like the video and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Also, don't forget to pin down a lovely comment. It will make my day. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you around next time with another video.